As a factory manager, you understand the critical balance between maintaining a safe work environment and ensuring efficient production. While achieving both goals can sometimes feel challenging, one clear solution is to upgrade your safety systems, specifically your Lockout Tagout LOTO procedures. These procedures are crucial in protecting workers from hazardous energy sources during maintenance or repair activities, reducing accidents and ensuring smoother operations. If your facility hasn't recently evaluated its LOTO systems, it might be time to consider an upgrade. Properly implemented LOTO procedures not only protect employees, but also minimize costly downtime, legal liabilities, and reputational damage. Here's why this is an essential step for factory managers focused on maintaining productivity while ensuring the highest safety standards. A strong LOTO system begins with a thorough assessment of your equipment and potential energy sources. Every piece of machinery in your plant carries unique hazards, whether electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, or thermal. Identifying these hazards and determining specific isolation points is the first step toward creating a safer work environment. Once you've pinpointed the risks, clear written procedures tailored to each piece of equipment ensure workers have a guide to safely isolating energy during maintenance. These procedures should also address emergency situations, such as unexpected equipment failure, so your team is prepared for any situation. Employee training is another cornerstone of an effective LOTO system. Comprehensive training programs ensure workers know how to follow LOTO procedures correctly, preventing accidents and injuries. Offering hands-on practice allows employees to build confidence in using lockout devices properly, while periodic refresher training keeps safety top of mind. Investing in proper lockout devices and standardized tags further enhances safety by making it easy for workers to recognize and isolate hazardous energy. Verification and testing of your LOTO system should become a routine part of maintenance operations. The Lockout Tagout Try method, where workers verify that energy has been successfully isolated before starting repairs, can prevent accidents caused by residual energy. Regular testing of the entire LOTO system ensures it remains reliable over time, further reducing risks. Periodic inspections and compliance audits also help identify any deficiencies or opportunities for improvement in your LOTO program. Regular reviews ensure your factory meets OSHA regulations and industry standards, avoiding costly fines while enhancing overall safety. These audits also provide peace of mind, knowing that your workforce is protected and your production line remains efficient. While safety investments might seem secondary to productivity, the consequences of inadequate LOTO systems tell a different story. There have been numerous instances where workers were tragically maimed or killed due to weak or improperly followed LOTO procedures, with devastating financial and human costs to the companies involved. For example, at a manufacturing plant in Illinois, a worker lost their life after being crushed by machinery because the company's LOTO procedures were insufficient. The company was fined over $250,000 by OSHA, not to mention the additional costs of legal fees, worker compensation claims, and damage to its reputation. Similarly, a worker at a meat processing plant lost an arm during routine maintenance because the machine was not properly locked out. OSHA fines, medical bills, and long-term disability costs amounted to over $200,000, with the plant also suffering production losses and increased insurance premiums. Another tragic incident occurred at a packaging plant where an employee was killed when a machine restarted unexpectedly during maintenance. The lack of clear LOTO protocols led to OSHA fines, a wrongful death lawsuit, and multi-million-dollar settlements. The plant was forced to shut down for weeks, resulting in lost revenue and significant operational disruptions. These cases highlight the immense financial impact of ignoring LOTO safety. Beyond OSHA fines and legal settlements, companies often face increased insurance costs, reduced productivity due to downtime, and lasting damage to their reputations. The emotional toll on employees who may witness or be involved in these incidents also affects overall workplace morale, leading to further inefficiencies. Upgrading your LOTO system is about more than avoiding fines or compliance issues. It's about protecting your workforce and maintaining a reliable, productive factory. A safer workplace leads to smoother operations, fewer disruptions, and higher overall efficiency. Don't wait until an accident happens. Contact us today at 1-888-60-03-080 to schedule a comprehensive review of your LOTO systems and learn how we can help you.